Okay, we are going to install a library which is called Africa. Okay, we are going to use Africa. Africa comes with what can I say, with an onboarding template. Okay, on onboarding screen template. Okay, you will see it's not going to be long. Okay, we're just going to change some images and put some text, and that will be it, guys. Then we are going to have an onboarding, like out of the box onboarding. Let's click search here. Okay, let's see, maybe it's my internet. Is it searching? Yes, as you can see, guys, this is Africa. Okay, and then how do I install it? npmi Africa. Okay, now let's go back here. This is the other thing that you need to note. Remember, I didn't explain much about these files. Okay, I didn't want to, the reason why I don't want to make this video longer, but I will explain as we are using them. Okay, let me just close and only leave this one. Now we have worked with app.json, as you can app.json. As you can see, guys, we were changing the screen from the resize mode of the screen from contain to cover. Okay, happy with that. Cool beans. Let's continue. Now we are going to use okay, we are going to use package.json. Okay, as you can see, guys, these are the packages that are here for now. Now we are going to install Africa. So for now, as a beginner, when you are installing a new library, please always come here and cancel Control-C and paste a command for that library, and then install it, and then run the system again. There is also an option where you can click here to have another command. Okay, command line, so meaning that this one is live, and then you can install what did I press something? This is unusual. Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, let me try to cancel. Okay, let me just continue with what I was saying. I will look at this. Okay, so this is also the other way of doing it, but this sometimes gives a problem. Okay, when you are installing something meanwhile the system is running, it might show a lot of errors. Okay, sometimes your app might not run, okay, because of you are installing something while it's running. Okay, it will some sort of channel you to unnecessary debugging, whereas you just have to refresh. So for now, let's just get used to, okay, let me delete everything here. Let's just get used to one terminal. Okay, it will save us a lot of time. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's check, let's refresh the package.json to see if we have the to see if we have that package that we were installing. Okay, app I apologize about that. Package.json. Let's see, do we have Africa here? Not really as a dependency. Okay, let's try it again. Maybe my copy and paste had a problem. Okay, we are inside food app Africa. Okay, now let's install. If it does the same thing, guys, we are going to continue. Okay, this is supposed to just install like normally without any other problems. Okay, but if it does, not a problem, we are just going to continue and do something else. As you can see, guys, okay, here is Africa, it's being installed. Okay, cool beans. And then let's run. Okay, if you want to run the previous commands that you ran before, you can just when you are here on this terminal, you can just press an arrow up. No, this is not this one, this is what we want. Okay, I'm going to keep this here because it helps on cleaning the project. Okay, even though I don't have more details about it. Okay, but some other libraries, they always after you did something, they will recommend this flag so that we make sure that the system is fresh and it's loading the updated things. So I'm going to keep it here for now. Okay, it's going to help us a lot. So in case you are experiencing some challenges, the errors that you don't really understand as you are working, just cancel everything, like stop the terminal, close Visual Studio Code, and then run it again. Okay, usually that's the, what can I say, the first tip. Okay, and it works, guys. Okay, more especially after you have installed a library. Okay, okay, let's see, where is, say, I think it has disconnected. Okay, so let's go to Let's View. Okay, Let's View will time and again disconnect. Okay, but that's not a major issue. Okay, when it's disconnect, I will just connect again. Okay, usually it doesn't take some time, as you can see. Okay, it disconnected and I connected again. Okay, and it worked. Okay, so it's not going to take much of our time. I'm happy with this splash screen. Okay, I'm happy with this splash screen. Okay, I'm happy with where we are now. So now we were on Africa. Okay, so when you are here on Africa, what you are going to do, you are going to, now that we've installed Africa, let me just wait for this to finish. Okay, I've got some water. Okay, so time and again I will drink water, so please bear with me. Okay, I'm happy with that. So let's see. Okay, so now what we are going to do, let's continue. Meanwhile, this is loading, that won't be a problem. Now that we are done installing Africa, this is what we need to do. Okay, the other thing that I didn't do, which is not a problem, let's remove this styling. Okay, I am not going to use this style sheet for styling. Okay, so let's just make sure that, my apologies about that. Okay, this starts here and it ends here, so I'm removing the whole thing. Okay, so for now let's just remove this so that we make sure that this is clean. Okay, so now that we've installed Africa, so Africa is some sort of a self documenting library. Okay, the documentation is within itself. Okay, so I also want you to give me a comment as to, is this a great initiative from this library? Okay, let's see. Okay, so Africa has got a component called showroom. Okay, as you can see, guys, this is showroom from Africa. Let's see, let me take the first one. Okay, it's a self-closing tag. Okay, so let's refresh, guys, and see what are we going to see here from Africa on our screen. Okay, bear in mind we don't have any styling here. If we have to give it some styling, we will do so. Okay, 100%. Don't mind about this error here. Okay, I will just remove it. Now what we want to do, this container that Africa is in has not been styled, so let's just style it. Okay, what we are going to do, we are just going to give it let's say a width of 100%. Okay, my apologies about that. Okay, and a height of 100. Okay, we want it to fit the screen. Okay, and a height of 100. Let's save and see. As you can see, guys, everything is working as expected. Okay, guys, now the moment of truth. Okay, I am the creator of Africa. Africa is my own library. Okay, I didn't want to tell you that like beforehand. Okay, so Africa is my own library. Okay, in case you were wondering who is this guy, like a South African designer and a developer, I am Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer. I like to be creative and innovative, and also in the industry I'm bringing my design expertise combined with my development expertise. Okay, so this is me. the guy behind the voice, Matthew Singati from South Africa. Okay, Africa is my own library. By the way, I have partnered up with someone, so we are a team now. We are planning to revamp and relaunch Africa with a new branding, with a new name. Believe me, the library is awesome. If you obviously, if you think that this is the big thing, okay, wait until I reveal the library. Okay, so guys, basically, can I try to maximize this? I hope everything is going to work well. Yes. Okay, so basically, Africa is my own library. I wanted to create something like ChatCN but for React Native. Basically, you've got some components that you can plug and play here. Please guys, go and download the library and use it, and please give me a feedback, because we are creating a revamp of it. Okay, I've got an excellent, great team. Okay, a smart guy. Okay, the guy knows everything. Okay, he's a supercomputer. Okay, so these are the components that you can quickly use. Okay, as you can see guys, we've got everything here. We've got button, we've got avatar, we've got some image cards. Okay, the other thing, let me just quickly demonstrate this one for you. It might want me to allow a permission for recording. This icon, you can just, okay, let me just allow here. Okay, let me close because that one didn't record. Okay, so let me record as I'm speaking. Okay, this is Matthew recording while I'm speaking. Failed to start recording. Okay, let's see. Okay, okay guys, as you can see, I hope you heard it, because I had to put my phone closer to the microphone, but I hope you did hear the sound. The one that says failed recording, it's the first one. Okay, so that's how the component is for now. So what I want you to do for me in this library, please test it, so that when we are creating the final version, we can get an essence of what you guys want. We want to build a product that people love. Okay guys, on the internet, all the chat application, people who are trying to create WhatsApp clones, they don't have this checkbox. Okay, their own checkbox doesn't have this sharp corner here. Okay, I'm a designer and I'm a developer. I've managed to crack it, and here I'm giving it to you for free. Okay, people who do things for their passion and for the love of it, that's what they do. Okay, as you can see guys, we've got smart components here ready for you to use. Okay, as you can see. Okay, interesting, but this is the component that we are going to use. Okay, this is an onboarding. Okay, so this will fill the entire screen, and when you swipe, as you can see guys, okay, this is Nelson Mandela. Okay, this is the CEO of Google. This is Muhammad Ali, the greatest. Okay, and this is another greatest. This is me guys, Matthew Singati, the designer and developer from South Africa. Okay, so guys, we are going to make use of this component. Okay, this is Trevor Noah. Okay, this is Trevor, and then from here you can click get started. Okay, so this component, when it reaches the last image, okay, when it reaches the last image, there is this get started, but when it's still on like second last, then as you can see, there is next. You can even press this next. Okay, next, next, next. So we are going to use this component from my own library. Okay, enough about me. Okay, this is about you. Okay, I want you to be the best of the best. I think now you are starting to get it. Okay, also guys, there is something that I still, let me press escape. There is also something that I still I want us to talk about. Okay, which is the mentality, okay, of a developer, but not now, not at the moment. Okay, let me see. Okay, I think everything works. So Now if you want to use this documentation, what you do, you right click here and then go to definition. Okay, then once you go to definition, and then you will see these components. This is how you use this library. As you can see, what's the name of this component? I didn't demonstrate this one. Okay, let me just quickly demonstrate this input box for you. Okay, my apologies about this display. Okay, as you can see, guys, this is something like an OTP screen or kind of an input. Okay, enough about that. So this is onboarding screen. That's the name of this component. So what we are going to do now, I think something happened here on my screen. Let's see. Okay, 100%. Nice. Now we are back. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to search here. Okay, find. Remember, now we are inside showroom. We are going to find, okay, onboarding screen. Here is this text for onboarding screen. Then where is the onboarding screen? As you can see, guys, here is the component for onboarding screen. Okay, you are going to copy this component and come here. Okay, instead now of showroom, we are going to paste the onboarding screen. Okay, onboarding screen takes some things. There are some things that onboarding screen needs in order to work. Okay, let me not save for now. Okay, as you can see, onboarding screen make use of an array. Okay, so I have designed this component in such a way that you pass this array with all your information, and then from then it will use it, and then it will generate the onboarding screen. So let's go back to showroom and look for that array. Okay, if we can search it, okay, that will make our lives easier. Let's copy this, and then let's go back to showroom, and then let's just click find. Okay, as you can see, this is the where we are assigning it. So let's go to the top. This is where we are defining it, as you can see, guys. Okay, so what we can do, let's copy this as is. Okay, this is the array, and then from there let's go to when we are opening. Okay, when we are opening the function, as you can see, guys. Okay, so meaning that now this is supposed to be gone, and we are supposed to have an onboarding screen here when we reload. Okay, so the idea behind, okay, property onboarding doesn't exist, not a problem, we didn't import onboarding screen. The idea behind this library, I want it to be self-documenting. I think this is something that other libraries are not doing. Okay, I want to make it easier for you to use it. Okay, it must have that simplicity of some sort of WordPress of some sort. Okay, I don't think that is what the industry is doing at the moment. So please let me know if this is simple enough. So what we need to do here, we need to go close to this onboarding screen. We need to press controls and space. Okay, then we're going to import onboarding screen from Africa. Okay, we didn't import it from here, and then let's click save. Boom, guys, as you can see, after the splash screen, we've got an onboarding screen. Okay, as you can see, guys. Okay, nice. Okay, nice. Okay, this is me. Okay, Trevor Noah. And then from then, when you click here, this is what it says: transition to the main screen. It's telling you that now you can transition to the main screen. Okay, how does it do that? And then let's see, this is an on complete, meaning that when this onboarding screen is complete, okay, let's say this is alert. Okay, let's say, let me just type here subscribe. Okay, I know you've already subscribed. Okay, remember, guys, I said to you, the promise I make is a promise I keep, and I always keep my promises. When you are done with this tutorial or with this course, you are going to be ready for applying for a job. I meant it. Please keep it. Okay. I meant that in a true sense of the word. Okay. So as you can see, guys, now you can create and add your own splash screen. Okay. Now you are on the onboarding screen, something that even well-established developers, they don't really implement the onboarding screen. So what I did, I took my own intelligence, I've thought about things, and I was like, let me create a package where you are just going to install it, and that's it. Boom. Okay. We are not sweating, we are not talking about complex stuff here, trying to confuse you. I want you to learn. What I also want you to do, I want you to go to this onboarding screen and see how I did it. Okay, that's also how you will learn. That's how I got into what can I say? That's how I got an interest of creating my own library. I was using ShadCN, and I went back into the design and changed some things, tweaking some things, up until I was confident that I can create my own library. Okay, so that's how you learn. So please go to this component library and study it. You can, when we are in it, you can ask me any question. Matthew, how did you do this and how did you do that? I will be more than willing to explain to you. Okay, so let's continue, guys. Obviously, we had a little bit of a delay there. Okay, but it was worth it. Let's continue, guys. Now, as you can see, guys, we are progressing. Okay, our onboarding screen is working. We just need to customize it. Okay, now let's go to a website which is called Pexels. It has got high quality images. Okay, let's type here food. Okay, as you can see, guys, nice. Okay, for now I'm just going to choose random dishes. Okay, but we were supposed to look at the theme, or what can I say, some sort of the look and feel of the UI. Okay, but guys, this is a tutorial. If we can do everything, it might be longer unnecessarily. So I've copied the image URI, so we are going to just change. And remember, I said we are going to have 3 screens. Okay, so I'm going to change here. Okay, and then save. Let's just check on Mac now. Is there a picture of, wow, interesting, guys. I am proud of myself to have designed this. Okay, I am proud of myself to have designed this. So do you know what I did, guys? Okay, I went to ChatGPT. Okay, and asked ChatGPT, let me just show you the prompt: onboarding screen content for 3 screens of a food. I said food delivery app. Okay, I think this is a food delivery app. Okay, I think so. Okay, but this is just for teaching. Okay, so that's not much of a problem. So let's see, welcome to food app. So this might be the first thing that we need to do here. Okay, as you can see, guys, here, let's type here, welcome to food app. Welcome to food app. Welcome to food app. It's a bit too long, but at least it doesn't reach the edge. At least the design is not broken there. Okay, get ready to discover the easiest way to satisfy your craving. This is short, nice and short. So guys, this is also another tip. Okay, whenever you are creating a project, maybe a portfolio, or your something that you really want to do, or maybe it's for a client, rule number 1, do not come up with the content from your own head or from your own knowledge. Okay, try to get it from somewhere. Okay, number 1, your app is going to be realistic. Okay, and also it's going to help on the overall quality of the application. Okay, when we are presenting it to a client, the client will be sold to the idea because it feels realistic. Okay, imagine if you are having a restaurant application that we are presenting to the client or even to the employer, but they don't really get the look. It feels amateurish. It feels like it's a prototype, or they can feel that it's a test, then obviously you are not going to get a job. Okay, I want you to create high quality application so that one day you can say, Matthew, I got a job from your own videos. Okay, let's see guys. As you can see now, this is too long. Okay, so let's see. Get ready to discover the easiest way. Okay, okay, let's just look for another tagline here. Okay, there's a delicious food is just a few taps away. Let's just take this one, guys. Okay, let's just take this one. Remember, I'm a designer, so if things don't align, I'm concerned, I'm worried. Okay, I'm worried. So the designer in me doesn't allow me to accept. Okay, I'm happy with this. I'm still worried about this word. It's too long. Okay, so instead of saying welcome, let's just say here food app. Okay, now this is what I had in mind when I was developing this component library. Okay, as you can see guys, we can click next. Okay, so this one is going to be some sort of a very quick step. Okay, I'm not going to explain a lot, okay, because we need to save some time. So let me just copy not the image, copy the image address. So let's continue. Okay, let's see, let's continue guys. Okay, and then as you can see guys, nice. Okay, and what else do we want to do? Let's look here. Image A. Okay, still not about the title. Effortless ordering. Okay, effortless ordering. That will mean we have to put an image that relates to that. My apologies about that. I should have read the text first. Okay, so let me just go back here to pixels and food order. Okay, let's see guys. Okay, let's see. I think what speaks to what we are doing, it's a person in the kitchen holding a cell phone, and this is the image. Okay, this is the image. Okay, let's see. So I wanted this to be this easy to edit this. Okay, as you can see guys, you don't have to code. Stick with me. I will make you famous. I will take you places to see different faces. I'm Matthew Msingati, the hybrid, the designer and developer, the greatest of all time. Okay, enough about me. Let's continue guys. Effortless ordering. Okay, let's see what content do we have there. Simple. I like this. This is short, simple and straight. Okay guys, as you can see, we are looking for short messages on point. Okay, so we're only going to have 3 screens guys. Okay, so I'm going to finish soon. Okay, this is, at least this is still perfect. Happy with that. Let's see. Lightning fast delivery. Okay, even this one talks to delivery. Let's see. Here, lightning fast delivery here. Okay, there is a saying that says content is king, so I think I forgot that principle here. Okay, meaning that I'm supposed to look at the content and supply an image based on the content. Okay, not just quickly jump to an image first. Okay, then let's see. Lightning fast delivery. Let's look for an image that talks to delivery, specifically food delivery. Let's see. My apologies about that. I think this. Okay, I think this, but I wish I can get a more. Okay, I think this does it. Okay, I think image address. As you can see, guys, now we are done. Okay, now we are done. Okay, now we are done. I hope you are enjoying, guys. If you are enjoying and you are learning, you've got your notes ready, please don't forget to just help Matthew, okay, to get monetized, so that I can be motivated or more motivated, okay, to wake up and do these videos. Okay, so now we are done. So let's delete all the rest of these. Okay, let's see what will happen. I think I have taken care of that. Nice. Let's go back, guys, and see. Okay, this is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one. I think I only had 3. Okay, so that means there is, oh, okay, my apologies about that, guys. The greatest is here. Okay, okay, let's see, guys, let's see. We start here, and then we're here, and then we are here. As you can see, guys, now that we have reached the end, it says get started. Guys, I'm proud of myself to have created this library, and I have some sort of partnered with somebody, and we are coming back with a banger. Okay, the library is going to be a banger, nothing that we have seen before. If you think this is something, okay, I was still alone here. Okay, I have partnered with a guy which knows everything, guys, and I'm learning a lot from him. Okay, we are taking step by step. So, guys, please give me a feedback. That one, I am begging you, give me a feedback as to what can be done and what can we improve, and also let me know about this self-documenting feature of it. Okay, as you can see, it's simple, guys. Everything is there, the array is there, it's populated. You just put your own information and then you are done. Okay, so we have reached the end of this part, and then the next part will be to work on the navigation, meaning that when we click here, we are supposed to go to the next screen on getting started. Okay, so after that, that means we are going to